I'm Greg Johnson. I'm head of analytics for Nokia. I am in the mobile phones group. This is the group that ships feature and affordable smartphones. Last year, Nokia shipped over 350 million phones to globally. Most of our markets are emerging markets. For example, Asia Pacific, India, Africa, and South America. The group that I'm in is the Xpress Internet Services group. This group is designed to provide internet services to all the emerging markets. This is for the billion people that don't already have internet services available to them. We have a variety of services. The first one I want to talk about is the Express browser. The Express browser is a full HTML browser. It's a proxy-based browser. All these services run on a cloud-based service. Currently, we have in the cloud over 2,200 servers in 5 data centers globally. One of the data centers is actually AWS data center. Towards the end of last year, our data volumes literally broke the database. We were no longer able to cost-effectively scale the database and do anything useful on it in terms of queries. So earlier this year, I started exploring using Redshift to replace our traditional relational database. And in the course of about 2 months, we're able to migrate most of the high data usage from the traditional relational database over to Redshift. Another big paradigm shift that we've been undergoing is getting away from using the traditional waterfall approach to build reports in the BI tools. We're moving to more of a hypothesis-based reporting where we can use big data BI tools to investigate the type of reports we want to do and do data mining, and then actually spend the time to develop the code to do those. All these services are running in Amazon Web Services, and we want to try to create as much value from the analytics and BI tools that we can. On the first left-hand side is the machine learning. This is a recommendations engine that I mentioned powering some of the apps that we're using. We're also starting to collect a lot of unstructured data for social media, and that's being primarily put into the header-based platform to do sentiment analysis type analysis. And additionally, we're doing a lot of statistical analysis on large data sets. These are tens of terabyte data sets. And we're using the statistical analysis to do forecasting and predictions, for example, to do churn forecasting and active user growth. One of the primary advantages that we've found using the Amazon Web Services, particularly for the database and Redshift, is we're seeing greater than 50% cost savings over traditional relational databases. And our queries are finishing at least 2 times faster than with our existing database. Another big advantage that we're seeing is because Amazon manages the database, we don't have to staff up for a DBA for a database administrator. Amazon takes a lot of the burden out of having to manage the database. So that's been a huge saving for us in terms of staff and probably more importantly, expertise. It's difficult to find people knowledgeable to manage databases for these large multi-terabyte size databases. We've been trialing and doing proof of concepts of some of the BI tools that are available in the AWS marketplace. So this has allowed us to very rapidly try new tools. We're utilizing the Amazon services to be able to scale up Redshift, to scale up S3, to be able to use EMR, the Elastic MapReduce on demand if we need more compute resources. And we're also using data pipeline to tie all the Amazon services together for workflows, as well as our own data services as well, too. So that's all I had today, so thanks for listening.